Bali is an Indonesian island known for its scenic beaches, rich cultural heritage, and diverse landscape. In this series we will take a look at some of the top places to watch in Bali that are sure to leave you mesmerized. Rice terraces located in Ubud. The Tegalalang rice terraces are a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for their breathtaking beauty. The terraced fields offer stunning views of the lush green landscape, which is dotted with coconut trees and palm trees. Visitors can take a walk through the fields or sit back and enjoy the view from one of the many cafes located in the area. Mount Batur is an active volcano located in the northeast of Bali. The trek to the summit is a popular activity for visitors, who can enjoy stunning views of the sunrise over the surrounding landscape. At the top of the mountain, visitors can enjoy a hot cup of coffee or tea and take in the incredible scenery. Uluwatu Temple perched on a cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean. Uluwatu Temple is one of the most iconic temples in Bali. Visitors can watch the sunset over the ocean while watching the traditional Kesek dance performed by the locals. The temple also offers stunning views of the ocean and is a popular spot for photographers. The Bali Swing is a popular attraction in Ubud, where visitors can swing high above the trees and enjoy breathtaking views of the rice paddies and lush green landscape. The swings are located on a hill and offer an adrenaline-pumping experience for those brave enough to try it. Nusa Penida is a small island located off the southeast coast of Bali. It is known for its stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and picturesque landscapes. Visitors can take a day trip to the island and explore its hidden gems, such as Kelangking Beach, Crystal Bay, and Angel's Bill. Pura Ulan Danu Braton is a picturesque temple located on the shores of Lake Braton in the mountains of central Bali. The temple is dedicated to the goddess of the lake and is a popular spot for photography. Visitors can also rent a traditional boat and take a tour of the lake to enjoy the stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Sekumpul Waterfall is located in the northern part of Bali and is known for its breathtaking beauty. The waterfall is surrounded by lush green forests and can only be reached by a steep trek down a series of stairs. Once at the bottom, visitors can enjoy the refreshing waters of the waterfall and take in the stunning scenery. TempleBali Temple is a holy temple located in the village of Tampaksirang. It is known for its holy spring water, which is believed to have healing properties. Visitors can participate in a purification ritual by bathing in the spring water and praying at the temple. Sideman Valley is a hidden gem located in the eastern part of Bali. It is known for its scenic rice paddies, traditional villages, and stunning views of Mount Agung. Visitors can take a bike tour or a leisurely walk through the valley and enjoy the peace and tranquility of this beautiful area. Bali is a paradise of natural beauty and cultural heritage. With its stunning beaches, iconic temples, and diverse landscape, Bali is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking adventure and relaxation. These are just a few of the many places to watch in Bali, and there is always something new to discover in this beautiful island paradise.